My name's Glenn Gathard, I'm the head of sound for Pinewood Studios. For this particular project, we've decided to shoot the majority of it inside to make a construction kit that is dry for the guns. This is a large Dolby Atmos room. I think it's the largest one in Europe. That's why we've chosen to record in this space, which we've never recorded in this room before for guns. It's recorded quite safe. But what I really want to do for the interiors is be able to deliver both the room characteristic, although not fixing it to being like every gun sounds like it's been fired in this room, but I want to pick up the decay and diffusion that happens over distance. So that is all they're being used for, is to create a nice stereo, wide stereo. What I really want is to pick up high frequency detail of the after of the shot, really, in the decay, like the close decay. Beautiful, defined, almost musical elements. What it actually did when we tested was bring snap and more transient attack. Almost that chattering that you might sometimes want from automatic weapons, the ch that you want to add to the front, that really defines and adds kind of clarity to the weapon. We have 2 microphones on the gun. We have 2 microphones within a metre and a half left and right of the weapon itself as well, which can all withstand the blast. We're using the onboard, the strapped-on DPAs on the gun themselves as well to add detail and finesse. And gives big defined reloads and chunks and breaks and etc. So today, when we get into more like the handling and experimenting with breaking down some of the weapons, I'd like to put the sherps on, because I think that may capture some of the bright and musical moments of the guns.